Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this Yamaha MT-125. Registered the 26th of April, 2023 on a 23 plate, with only 2,548 miles, and presented in tech black. This popular 125 has just been serviced by our good selves and benefits from a newly installed chain and sprocket kit. This is not just a facelift, it's a totally new and revamped model of the outgoing version. It produces more glorious torque, mid-range grunt, and revs out at a whopping 11,000 RPM, giving you an impressive top end. The handling is sweet, and gives you the big bike feel as it is closely styled to its impressive bigger brothers, the MT07 and MT09. This beautiful example would leave us with a full pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT, and remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. The option to extend to a 12 or 24-month warranty is also available. We can deliver this bike to anywhere in the UK. We also offer a wide range of finance. Please note we have a small admin fee of £75 on all of our bikes. For more information, please contact us on 0142444 4448, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 07359 837799. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.